Question 1. Choose the correct prefix to form the antonym of relevant. A. Ir. B. Un. C. In. D. Dis. The correct answer is option A. Ir. So the antonym will be irrelevant. Question 2. Fill in the blank with the correct phrase. You can dash have a burger dash pizza. A. Either or. B. Neither nor. C. Both and. D. Not but. The correct answer is option A. Either or. So the sentence would be, you can either have a burger or pizza. What is the meaning of the word jubilant? A. Sad and gloomy. B. Extremely happy. C. Angry. D. Tired. The correct answer is option B. Extremely happy. Question 4. Choose the correct antonym of the word concise. A. Brief. B. Short. C. Verbose. D. Compact. The correct answer is option C. Verbose. Question 5. Fill in the blank with the correct tense. He dash to Mumbai tomorrow. A. Is going. B. Goes. C. Went. D. Have gone. The correct answer is option A. Is going. So the sentence will be, he is going to Mumbai tomorrow. Question 6. Fill in the blank with the correct modal verb. It's cloudy. It dash rain later. A. Must. B. Should. C. Might. D. Would. The correct answer is option C. Might. So the sentence will be, it's cloudy. It might rain later. Question 7. Fill in the blank with the correct phrasal verb. The company decided to dash its new product. A. Launch. B. Put off. C. Bring out. D. Set up. The correct answer is option C. Bring out. So the sentence will be, the company decided to bring out its new product. Question 8. Identify the figure of speech in this sentence. I am a living paradox. A. Simile. B. Metaphor. C. Personification. D. Paradox. The correct answer is option D. Paradox. Question 9. What is the meaning of the word nefarious? A. Virtuous. B. Honorable. C. Pleasant. D. Wicked. The correct answer is option D. Wicked. Question 10. What does the idiom to feel under the weather mean? A. To feel hot. B. To feel ill. C. To feel sad. D. To feel angry. The correct answer is option B. To feel ill. Now let's look at a practice question. Choose the correct spelling. A. EMBARASSMENT. B. EMBARRASSMENT. C. EMBARASSMENT. D. EMBARRASSMENT. The correct answer is option B. EMBARRASSMENT.